Hey guys, it's Jermaine Anderson. I'm back again. Hey, by now you guys know I'm a part of the 30 for 30 financial challenge, where we are committed to helping 30 families for 30 days to get on the track to financial freedom. Well, I'm going to start off because today I'm going to recap all of the videos that I've done thus far. And so we're going to start off talking about the two objectives. Now, it's not rocket science. In our work, during our working years, we work our labor, but that helps us to pay our bills, right? So that's an objective that we have to meet, being able to bottom line and be able to pay the bills. But there's also another objective out there, guys, and that's our future lifestyle, because there is going to come a certain point in our life when we are wanting to retire. And so there should be some investments during our working years that build this retirement nest egg. All right? So I'm going to talk about the challenges that keeps us from hitting these two objectives. So, and there are four challenges all together. So there's one, inflation. There's two, there's taxes. Three, there's debt. And four, there's big business. So let's talk about inflation. So inflation kills the buying power of our dollar. Our dollar every year, every day loses its buying power because of inflation. One of the better terminologies to think about when you're thinking about inflation at work is, let's go to the gas pump. And so our bank account, right, that noise you hear, tick, 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 that's the money coming out of our bank account, right? But the gas that's going in the pump goes tick, 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 tick. You notice that? And so what that is that 20 years ago, we used to get a full tank of gas for $10, $15. Now $10 or $15 at the gas pumps only gets you a quarter tank of gas. So that's an example of inflation, and that's something that we can't control because that's controlled by big businesses in corporate America, right? And so there's the next challenge is taxes. So we as working people pay on the average about 1/3 of our income goes towards taxes. And so we're at the highest tax bracket being an employee. And so that's like saying that I'm going to work for the government, and this is what we do. We work for the government pretty much from January, February, March, and April. That's 1/3 of the year. Uncle Sam takes that. The government takes that. That's not our money. Wow, they get paid first before we do. How about that? And so the next thing that takes our money is debt. Now, debt and taxes are like sisters and brothers. Because if it wasn't for all of the taxes that we pay, we wouldn't have to have debt. Okay, so out of the $18,000 that you take from my $50,000 out of my check, it makes me have to go out and to take a loan out and acquire debt to make up for that threshold of the money that's missing from me paying taxes. And so what we got to do next is pay interest on that money that we just went and borrowed. So not only are we in the hole because of our taxes, now we're in the line, we're borrowing money, and now we got to pay interest on that money. Wow, the setup is just amazing how this thing is set up to really work against us. And so the next thing is big business after debt. Big business. Now this is capitalism at the highest. Big business. And it's set up this way. It's set up to keep everyday consumers on the hamster wheel, waiting for that next big thing. Pay attention to the commercials. The next big thing, the new iPhone, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 9, iPhone 10. And before you get one totally in your pocket and understanding how it works, you got another one coming out. But guys, this is an example of capitalism. This is capitalism to the fullest. And so I want to tell you that in my next videos, I'm going to discuss the three solutions that we have to overcome all of this. Because I believe that there's got to be something that works. And it doesn't always have to be us, right? So what I need you to do is text me at 410-571-4863, but I need you to put in the text 2-4. So that means that you saw this video that explained the two obligations, objectives, and that you heard the four challenges that keeps us from that. Again, my name's Jermaine Anderson. I look forward to speaking with you and giving you the next couple of videos with the solutions that's going to change the game plan. All right, guys. Thank you.